Hello algebra students. This lesson is I can calculate percent change. This is a very important concept as you become an adult because when we're talking about property values and maybe stock market and that, we always refer to the value of things increasing as a percent. Alright, and that is basically the percent change. Now, in order to calculate percent change, we say percent change is, use the no formula, which stands for the new minus the original divided by the original. Alright, so it's new minus the old or original divided by the old or original. Okay, now when we look at this, here's a nice basic problem, and it is calculate the percent change. Tell whether it is an increase or a decrease. How do you know? Now the easiest way is if you go from your original price to your new price. If the price goes down, you know it's a percent decrease. If it goes up from your original price to your new price, you know it's going to be a percent decrease. So in this case, in example 2, our original price was $25.99 and the new price is $15.99. So right away we know we're going to have a percent decrease. Now, if we go to find the percent change, when we do 15.99, which is the new, minus the original, which is 25.99, we divide it by the original price, which is 25.99, right away we end up with a negative here. And what that negative stands for is it's going to be a percent decrease. Okay? Now, when you do the math, you get negative 10 over 25.99. When you divide that, you get some long decimal, such as 0.02367, blah, blah, blah. Well, generally we'll round percents to nearest 100. Alright? So when we look at this, we would have about a 2% decrease. Okay, and again I know it's a decrease because from my original to new the price went down. Okay, number 3, the price of a token ride token to ride a city subway system is changing from $1.25 to $1.50. Find the percent change. Right away, is it an increase or a decrease, and how do you know? Well, it went from $1.25 to $1.50, so we know we're dealing with a percent increase. So the percent change would be the new, so $1.50, minus the old, $1.25, all divided by the original or old, which is $1.25. Now that would give us 0.25 over 1.25. When we do that division, we get 0.2. Now that's the percent is a decimal, so what do we do to change 0.2 to a decimal? Multiply it by 100. Alright, and what we end up getting is it was a 20% increase in fare. Now, it's important to know because like when you're looking at it, 25-cent rate increase doesn't sound like a lot, but when you consider it as a percent, 20% increase is quite a bit. Our raises definitely don't go up 20%, so it's important to know what percent it is going up. Number 4, we look at it. In 2002, Six Flags had on average 100,000 people visit the park each day. Today, the average visitors decreased 40%. What is the average number of visitors each day here? Well,